Hi friends, welcome to my channel Liang Ceramic Studio. I'm a ceramic artist based in the US. On this channel, I love to share my work process and studio life with you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I clean my fragile and delicate ceramic sculptures, specifically pieces from my Woman as Vessel series. When my husband and I were renovating the studio, these pieces were left out on the shelves, so they ended up covered in a thick layer of dust. Honestly, I was so embarrassed to show them to anyone because they looked so dusty. But the weather has been beautiful recently, and I finally found some time. So let's get into it and give these fragile sculptures a deep, gentle clean. First, I needed a bright sunny day, and today is absolutely perfect. I lay down 2 wooden boards on the grass, making sure they are within arm's reach of my garden hose. This saves me the hassle of having to clean wet grass clipping off the bottom of my sculpture later. Then I carefully placed my works onto the boards. They already looked so lovely under the sunshine. First, I'm going to use some soapy water to help loosen up the caked on dust. If your own pieces only have a thin layer of light dust, you can definitely skip this step. Alright, I'm about to wash the pieces, but before that, make sure you choose an appropriate spring setting. Avoid high-pressure modes like rinse. The water stream can be way too harsh and damage your delicate work. I'm using the shower mode instead. I find the water pressure is absolutely perfect for a safe, gentle clean. It's so satisfying to give them a thorough wash. After rinsing each piece, make sure to pour out any water trapped inside. If you noticed any stubborn dust left behind, just repeat the process. I noticed some dirt was still clinging to the surface, so I grabbed a soft brush to gently whisk it away before giving them one final rinse. My kid asked me if I was happy. Yes, I am. I don't know why, but as I poured the water out of this piece, I got this unexplainable sense of sacredness. Anyway, the pieces are all cleaned up. Now I'll just let the wind and the sunshine do the rest. While the pieces are outside drying, I figure I might as well clean up the shelves a bit too. Okay, shelves are clean, and the sculptures look perfectly dry now. They look so beautifully soft and creamy under the sun. Now let's get them all put back inside the studio.